Hi guys. All right. Let's continue with volume, capacity, right? Measuring volumes and capacities. That's our next headline or our next header. All right. Volume is the amount of solid or liquid in a container. I've told you this already, right? Capacity is the amount of solid or liquid that the container can hold, right? Remember? Capacity is how much water you can put in the bottle. Volume is how much water is inside the bottle. Okay. We can measure the volume of liquids in containers using teaspoons, right? You can use teaspoons, you can use tablespoons, you can use cups, mugs, bowls, jugs, buckets, tanks, whatever you need to. Right? It depends on the capacity of the container. All right. Find the volume of water in each glass below. The volume of the water in each glass is equal to 3 teaspoons. In this one, the volume of the water in the glass is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 teaspoons. Okay, I'm going to lift up the screen a bit. Alright. This one contains even more, right? Find the volume and capacity of water in each of the containers below. Alright, this is something you have to do at home to really practice it. But the volume, to find the capacity. The volume, you can just look here. The volume of the water in the glass is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 teaspoons. Now remember, if you're going to put another 10 in there, it won't fill up as much because the glass tapers like this, right? So, less or more here, but it will fill up less. It will be the same amount. Alright? If you put another 10, it will double exactly, but it will look less. Because the glass is getting bigger. Alright? It's getting wider. Alright? So it might only fill up to there if you put another 10 teaspoons in. Alright guys? We're going to turn the page. Alright, guys, it's not exactly the same, nothing changes. The volume of water in a jug is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 16 teaspoons. Alright. The capacity, in this instance, the capacity of the tablespoon is equal to 1, 2, 3 teaspoons, alright? It depends on how big your tablespoon is, I guess. Some of them will be double, some of them will be 3 times more. Alright? Hang on. Comparing, measuring. Let's see what else it is. This is going to be a quick video. Alright guys, up until now it's pretty simple. You just have to read. Alright? The containers, like this one, it's very small, but if you look closely you can find in net content 600 milliliters. Right? Most containers and jugs they're marked. Right? So you can measure. Because like when you're cooking, you've got special cups and jugs. Please add 125 milliliters of water. When you take a little jug, you fill, you see, it's marked. and you fill it up until the line of 125 milliliters. Then you can add. But then another one will say, please add 750 milliliters of milk. And you need a big container. You need to be able to see exactly, because some recipes have to be exact. Can't be a little bit over, a little bit less, right? To make like a pudding back home. If you don't put enough milk in it, it's going to be dry. If you put too much milk in there, it's going to be soggy. You won't be able to eat it like a pudding, like we eat it back home. Okay, so you're going to have different jugs and containers so you can measure. All right, your homework. Please complete. Oh, guys, I made a mistake. Quickly listen up. In the previous video, your homework was page 116 to page 121. Okay, I was wrong. Please listen. Previous homework, page 116 to page 121. Today's homework, for now, page 122 all the way to page 127. All right. Sorry about that, guys. Please listen carefully. All right. So, yesterday's homework, page 116 to page 121. Today's homework, page 122 to page 127. All right. Then I'll see you guys for the next video. All right. Bye.